Hello EV fans, this time we have a possibility to check out on new Ford Mach-E, and let's go and check the multimedia system. Let's move on and test or go through the performance of multimedia system on Ford Mustang Mach-E. So here we have a smaller dash screen, and it's not a touch screen, and it's minor informational, so you don't have much information or much anything to do with this. You have only the range, battery, and driving mode. So one thing is to mention that you have the monitoring system. I should say it's a driver surveillance system. It tracks the condition of driver, it tracks your eyes movement and stuff like this, so it's for safety features. So if you move on to the main screen, we have lots and lots of features to operate here. So you can choose between cameras, parking, the heating options, everything you want to have in a regular car. Additionally, you have settings for charge. You can set up lots of charging options. So lots of charging options that you can schedule and prepare your car for your drivings. So connectivity, even the hotspot, you can supply Wi-Fi for mobile devices if you want. So departure and comfort, everything you need to schedule, you can have it here. So lots of options as on every electrical car, and it's a little bit too complicated. But one thing is for sure, there is no hidden features here. So everything you want, you can reach out and check with your multimedia system. So additionally, if you want to connect your phone to the multimedia system and to have all the applications available from your phone, so despite you are using iPhone or Android, you're going to have the cable to connect to your car. So unfortunately, again, the cable, and only the cable supplies the whole information from your phone to your screen. Also, on the main screen, you can always choose between 3 driving modes. So whisper mode, if you are interested in what it's all about, it's seamless drive, calm and quiet. So it's for everyday use. Active, it's for drivers who likes balanced drive, fun and engaging. And for the most powerful mode is the Infotainment mode, which is accelerating drive, machine and road align as one. So in this case, you are going to have most sporty drive that is possible on this car. Thank you for being with us. Like our videos, subscribe for news and updates on evmotors.live, and see you soon on next tips and tricks.